Tape, measure, tape to the measurement.
Damn! Mulifikiria it's only men who objectify women in their music videos. Baze, hii itawapiga na shock ingine moja wazimu. Spice. Maze, no. Sijui hata de react aje. I don't know if this was taken overboard, but this is crazy. So let's get this straight and maybe go back to the question that we all been asking. Does size really matter? Uko nje tunadanganywa, size doesn't matter, how you use it is what matters. Then in this music video, utaambiwa maze, size matters. So if you fall short, tunaenda kukejeliwa. Like ladies are going to make fun of us because of this music video. But I'm just wondering, hizi ni guts aina gani? Like, what confidence Spice alikuwa nayo for this tape measure song, showing us kudundendeng ya watu wengine. Maze, hii ni kucrash ego yetu ama it's just payback time, because normally it is the women who complains that men objectify them, sexually objectify them in their music videos. But now it seems like it is payback time. Anyway, I don't know how to react to this. I'm just so surprised. I don't know what's your reaction to this. What are your thoughts about this? And the main important thing, the main important question this is going to raise is, does size really matter? Check out this teaser, watch it uncut, but this is crazy. Like, maze, I don't know, ladies, I know ladies are getting sleepless nights after watching this video. Watch and enjoy.
Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measurement, body a fi fit length pan the tape measurement. 8 a fi 9 a fi reach pan the 10. Body length a fi long to the tape measurement. Body fi more than 230 millimeter if you want enter in a me middle center.